Hello student, how are you all? I hope you all are safe along with your family. Today we have to learn subject EVS and the lesson name is Important Places Around Us. Here I have written one definition. The area around our home is called our neighborhood. The area around our home is called our neighborhood. There are many important places in a neighborhood which are very useful to us. So today we have to learn these three topics. The first one is the bank, the second one is the market, and the third one is the hospital. So let us start with our first topic. I will show you one picture. See this? What is this picture? Are you able to see this? This is the picture of bank. What we are doing in the bank? What we are doing in the bank? This is the picture of bank. We keep our money and valuables like jewelry, money in the bank. We do this to keep them safe as they might get stolen otherwise. When we need them, we can go to the bank and we can take them out. As well as last year we have learned, we can deposit or withdraw money in the bank. Nowadays, we don't need to go to the visit a bank again and again. Why? Because whenever we need, we can take out our money with the help of using ATM machine. What is the full form of ATM? ATM means the automated teller machine. Now, our next topic is the market. Now we will see what things we can do. We can buy different things that we need from our neighborhood market. Now we will see what things we can buy from the market. See this picture. What is this? You can see there is the grocery shop. This is the picture of grocery shop. What we can do in a grocery shop? From where we can buy rice, wheat, bread, egg, tea, etc. Now next is, see here. In this picture also you can see. Are you able to see this? So many things are there like rice, wheat, bread, eggs. All products are there. This is called as a grocery shop. And we can buy everything from this. Now next is, what is this? This is the pharmacy. Means this is the chemist shop. We can buy medicine from the medical. That is called as a chemist shop. See here, I will show you one more picture. Are you able to see it? This is also the picture of chemist shop. Now next is, this is the picture of dairy. This is the picture of dairy. It means it is called as a milk booth, from where we can buy milk, paneer, curd, etc. Lots of things which made by milk. This is the milk shop. That is also that is also included in a market. Now next is, what you will see here? Are you able to see the fruits or vegetable? Yes, this is the green grocer shop, from where we can buy fruits and vegetable. Now next, what is this? What this man is doing? This is the barber shop, or we can say beauty parlor also. And nowadays, if we have to purchase the mobile, we can go and purchase it from mobile phone store. This is the way so many things we can get it by our market. Now next our topic is the hospital. Next our topic is the hospital. Now let's see. Are you able to see this picture? What is this? This is the hospital. This is the hospital. Who works in the hospital? Who works in the hospital? The doctor and nurses are works in the hospital. And when we go to the hospital, if we get hurt or we fall ill, we go to the hospital. The doctor treats us and give us medicine. The nurses are helps to the doctor, and the hospital sends an ambulance to help the people. See, I will show you the picture of ambulance. This is the ambulance. The hospital send the ambulance to help the people who are too ill to come to the hospital on their own. This kind of a person, those who are not able to come to the hospital send ambulance from them. And nowadays you also knowing, in this lockdown only hospitals are working. All doctors and nurses are doing hard work to they all are fight about the coronavirus. So everyone, you also wash your hand before and after meal, take a bath twice, eat healthy food, and stay healthy, stay safe, and stay at your home. Okay, understood? Today we have learned important places around us. In that, the area around our home is called our neighborhood. And what 3 topics we have learned? The bank, the market, and the hospital. Now tomorrow we will see another remaining topics. Bye. Thank you.